What do you think?
Forgot how fun this thing is.
It's powerful, huh?
I don't even like let it grab enough for me to really feel it either.
Yeah.
I let it slip. That thing, it loves the power band.
Mm-hmm.
It don't want to not be in the power band.
Yeah.
Which is stupid.
Yeah. That thing's sick though too, because it's like so linear. It's like a 4-stroke. So
it's totally different, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. So it's just like wheeling on that thing. I can probably wheelie way better on that than I can on this, just because it's like this thing's like You're like, Jesus.
That's what they say about those bikes. They're like damn near a 4-stroke. The way they tune them and shit.
Yeah.
It makes it super easy to ride. And it still has that kick of the power band. You can adjust it too, but honestly, it runs straight like that. I don't need more sauce.
No.
I do think I need more wheel speed.
That thing's fun, dude. It feels really similar, like weight wise.
Yeah, the only thing that's different is the handlebars.
Yeah.
They're a little skinnier.
Yeah, but it feels similar. Like I could still jump in and be like, oh yeah,
Feels the same.
yeah.
Even with the big gas tank.
Yeah, yeah, for real.
It's surprisingly like skinny with the big gas tank and all the TPI shit.
Yeah.
At least it is a 2-stroke.
Yeah. But yeah, the 2-strokes have always been easier to move in the air. Like you jump and then you're like, you can like twist them and turn them. And you just stall on the drop?
No.
Why'd you stop on the drop?
Because I didn't know what gear I was in.
Oh, okay.
I was trying to go to first.
Bro, I was like hauling. I'm like, this should be like a mellow drop. I'm like, shit. So like slammed on the back brake, slid up to it, and then went brrr, and went down. I'm like, Troy can't do that. And I'm like, fuck.
I seen the way you went down. I was like, all right, we're good.
Yeah.
That thing is dummy fast. I don't think I clicked fast.
I was 6-pinned on yours.
Yeah?
Yeah. That thing's still fast though. It's still geared for quite a bit.
Well, it's got a 6, so...
Yeah.
It's got the same transmission as the Enduro bike, but the gearing on the sprockets are different. So it still should get pretty fast, you know? I don't know how fast the Enduro bike gets, but...
I would say I probably went 60 on it.
I'm sure it goes...